You'd think this guy just wasted all his paintballs for no reason. But there's actually a hidden reason why this happens in paintball games. Players reload using upside-down paintball canisters to save time during intense matches. But if they pull them out too fast, the cap can suddenly pop open and send ammo flying everywhere. And since paintball guns load from the top, one small mistake during a fast refill can spill dozens of paintballs instantly. That's why in the middle of the action, players accidentally waste tons of ammo trying to reload as quickly as possible.